Hi. In today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing and show you the new drip irrigation system I got. And this is a 100 feet drip irrigation system. And this is from the brand called Zollea, Zollea. So I wanted to do an unboxing, see what all is inside and how it's gonna work for me because since the summer is approaching, there is a lot of the garden bed and also the trees. I want to update the system with drip irrigation because it's really hard to put water every single day. So I'm just getting started with my garden bed for this summer. So I wanted to set up the drip irrigation system at the similar time frame so that by the proper summer, I really don't need to worry about watering them every single day. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of this and see what all is inside and how it's gonna work for me. And so from here, what we see that there are three versatile ways of the system, of the irrigation system basically. And one is like this, the other one is so yeah, it goes like this, and the last one is like this. So that's what I understand from the image of the box, but let's go ahead and open it and see how it is. So this is how the box came in. uh, it's actually pretty good, pretty heavy, and also it basically shows an example as to how you can connect them and everything. And yeah, in the back you have everything the package includes. So they say we are going to get a universal faucet connector, that is one piece. Then we have drip emitter stream and spray, that is like 6 pieces. So these are the three versatile images which we saw on at the front of the box. And drip emitter stream and spray, 6 pieces. Drip emitter vortex is going to be 10 pieces, and the drip emitter stream is going to be 10 pieces. And we have a half-inch distribution tubing, that is going to be one piece, and we have a 1/4 inch distribution tubing, which is also one piece, and this is like 10 meter and this is 20 meter. And then we have the faucet connector, which is one piece again, and you have two, one for the US and one for the EU region, so it depends where you're buying this. Since I'm in the US, I will of course need the US one. And we have a half tube end plug, I mean half inch tubing end plug, and that is also one piece. This is for the end. And you have the plastic zip ties, 20 pieces. And then you have 4 pieces of half-inch tubing coupler, 4 ways. Like you can see it here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ways. And you have half-inch tubing coupler, 2 ways, that is the 2 ways of 4 pieces again. And you have half-inch tubing extender, that is one piece. And you have 10 pieces of 1/4 inch tubing end plug, and 10 pieces of 1/4 inch tubing T-splitter. And we have a water tape of one. And we also have the product parameters here down here. And the weight is like 4.08 pounds, and also the packaging details. So let's go ahead and open this and see how it is inside. And yeah, it should have everything that I just read about. Okay, yeah, that's pretty simple to open. Oh, that's nice. You have a user manual. If you do not know how to use each one of them, you can just go through it. So yeah, choking hazard, small parts, keep away from children and pet. You have a couple of precautions to follow. Then you have everything the package includes, which was there on the back of the box. And you also have the installation steps as to how to make it. Yeah, how to get going with it. That's really nice that they have given the right explanation, and also how to use the couplers and everything. Okay. And yeah, there is specifications here. There is also a troubleshooting guide, and yeah, also like a couple of things. And I think this just like uh, made me like look into it, like, because I mean, like the cleaning the drip irrigation nozzle of this watering system, like how you can do it so that it comes in for a longer time use, and also like you have the contact information here. uh that's it. So let's go ahead and see, like I'm sure like it's all like well packaged, like you can see like this I believe is the third one which we saw in the image. I don't recall the name. Yeah, I think this is the drip emitter, this one. Then we have the blue one. That was the drip emitter stream, 10 pieces, and this is the drip emitter vortex, 10 pieces. And yeah, this is big. And this is the drip emitter stream and spray, 6 pieces. Yeah, this is how it is. And everything is packaged really well. And yeah, here is the half inch and the quarter inch tubes. Yeah, the distribution tubing, 1/4 inch and the half inch one. And we also have the coupling and splitters and everything in here, which is like really well packaged. And the single things, which are like the faucet and faucet connector and the tape and everything in here, and the zip ties. Yep. So let me go ahead and see how I can set this up. So I used my existing system, like the piping, and just to test out the drip irrigation system right now with all the newer ones. So this is the blue one which we were seeing. Yeah, this is how it comes. And yeah, you can control the water pressure in it. So this is the other one. It is a dual thing. It acts both as like the top one does a different spray and the bottom one does another spray. Yeah, and both of them can be done together as well. Yeah, that is pretty nice. And this is the most regular one. Like it just goes like this. Yeah, and everything is you can control how much water should come out and everything. And you can turn it off when you're not using it. Yeah. Oh wow, that is the maximum it goes to. So in the water demonstration that I just did by connection, I used all these three, and this has an additional attachment which can be done, which is this. Um, yeah, and this basically goes on top of this. Let me put it. Oops, probably the pressure. Okay, yeah, now it goes. Yeah, this basically goes in. I don't have so much strength, I believe. Okay, yeah, something like this. So this is exactly the first one which they showed here. And basically, like, if you like open up this one, the water comes from here, or like if you tighten this, and like if you open up then the water comes from here. So you basically connect the 1/4 inch tubing distribution over here, and the water starts coming. This is simple straightforward one. The third one, just connect the pipe here, and you can control the water pressure as to how much ever you want. Depends on what you have planted and how much water the plant requires. And this is the third one. Pretty straightforward. Just the way the water comes is different, and the tubing is again the same. You just use the 1/4 inch distribution piping. So this is how it is. It's pretty good. I'm gonna like set this up completely, like replace all my old system. But right now for the demo, I just wanted to like show with an existing system by replacing all with these. So this is pretty nice. Everything looks really good. I definitely recommend buying this because drip irrigation saves a lot of water, and it's really helpful. And the plants grow much better when the watering is not manual and it is like through a drip irrigated system. So I definitely recommend buying this.